Thank you very much for. I would like to, first of all, I would like to thank management as well as my friend, my colleague, my junior, Dr. Deepak, for inviting me for this wonderful session. And I would like to thank the department for giving me this opportunity to deliver a lecture on beware of the predatory journals. So, just a minute, I'm sharing my PPT. Can you see my PPT, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, I'm making full screen mode. Is it visible now in full screen mode? Okay, thank you. So, everyone is thinking about most of the researchers when they are starting with the research. They will always thinking about we want to be a good scientist, we want to be a good renowned person in the particular field. How they will achieve the target of their own by publishing their papers and by the pattern. Then only they will known by the scientific community, even wherever we are working, right? So we will reach the scientific community. How? It will be by publications. Even the young researchers, right? Young researchers, they are thinking that we have to publish more research article. Then only your name will come to or reach the society, and you will get some benefit, or the research has to have some outcome, social outcome. You know that the basic research as well as applied research, right? Applied research, it will reach up to the society, right? So when it will come to the society, your research data has to be utilized. When it will be utilized, you have to publish, whether in the sense of patent, or whether by means of publishing your research data, right? So when we are going for publication, there are so many struggles you may face. So here we are talking about one of the struggle, one of the constraint, how to overcome this kind of problem when you are going for publication. First, the initial stage, when you are starting your research, right? First, you will do the research and collect the preliminary data. That is basic research. After that, you are going for the application studies or application oriented research. If you are doing, then that is called applied research. So after that, what you will plan for? Okay, let me go for pattern. That is, there are some several organizations, they are planning for, they are giving support for pattern, but there is no supporting organization for publishing in a right journal. But we must be aware, as a researcher, we must be aware. We are always thinking about our research work, how we can perform, how this methodology can be shot out, and how we can get the result. But after that, as a researcher, we must be aware about the predatory journals and cloned journals, right? So here we are going to discuss about how to search a right journal, or how we can escape from the predatory and clone journal. Already in the introduction session, they have already one of the student explained nicely about the predatory journal. They are all frauds. They are started the journal, they are deceptive, as well as the pseudo journals they are, right? They don't have any ethics, they don't have any ethics. Research must have ethics. That's why the UGC, they announced to have one paper must be included in the coursework of PhD scholars. That is publication ethics, bioethics, research bioethics. So while we are publishing, it should have ethics, some moral. But in the predatory journal, they don't have. They are only working for money. They don't have a proper editorial members, right? And they don't have a proper rules, and they don't have a proper peer review for your manuscript. Then your name will be spoiled, and your data will be explored to the scientific community. Anyone can utilize, because they don't have any copyrights, right? When we are publishing this, that type of journals are called predatory journals. So what they will do, they will usually, they are asking to submit the authors, submit their manuscript. They are continuously, they are sending mail. Continuously they are sending mail to authors to get the articles. And they will ask for article processing charge, APC. They will ask for article processing charge, and they don't have a peer review system. What is the normal process of journal? First, they will, if you are submitting your manuscript in any journal, there is a proper website, right, for submitting the journal. They will ask so many questions while you are submitting, starting from your name, your affiliation, your email ID, right? All the details, even Archit ID, they will ask, right? After that, it will enter into another page for uploading manuscript, and they will ask for title, abstract, then everything you have to add. Then after that, they will ask whether it will be a open access one, or whether it may be a paid service. They will ask whether, if you are able to pay, then it will become open access. That is article processing charge. They will ask in a different way compared to the predatory journal, right? So after